Hi, my name is Chan Peng Tuan. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Interface Component. The highly compact mini analog pro signal conditioner combined with intrinsic explosion protection and functional safety up to CO3-1001 with a housing of 6.2 mm, plug-in terminal and power bridge with thin wheel connector facilitate the installation. Uninterrupted current signal measurement and a wide range of configurations options simplify commissioning and servicing. Mini Analog Pro EXI signal conditioner can handle a range of frequency and almost any input, include nano, milliamp, and millivolt. With safe isolation, the device can take in signal from the field to the controller and the controller to the field without interference. Why wait? Visit phoenixcontact.com now and find out more.